Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel 3D Parametric Solid Model Drawings. Today we will create a model wheel in Autodesk Inventor. The design of the model has been taken from our suspension assembly. We have already uploaded a complete video of the assembly. You can go to my channel to view this video. Okay, alright. We are showing some pics of this model so that you can understand it easily. If you want to get the file of this model, I have given the link address in the description of my video. By visiting that link, you can get it easily. Okay, let's start the tutorial. Now we will create a new inch par file from here in Autodesk Inventor. Click OK. Alright. Let's start the sketch on the XY plane. Activate the project geometry command from the design window and take the project of X and Y axis. Click OK. Alright. Now we will convert this vertical line into center line. Convert this horizontal line into construction geometry. Create a rectangle from the part origin. Okay. Apply the diameter dimension 2.045 inches between the center construction line and rectangle line. Height of the rectangle will keep 1.045 inches. Now click the zoom all button. Okay, finish the sketch. Choose the isometric view by selecting the view cube. Now we will activate the revolve tool from here. See, the sketch is automatically selected in the design window. Click OK to finish the command. Now see here, my first revolve feature has been created in the design window. Save the par file, name it as wheel. Okay, that's it. Now go to the View tab and activate the Settings option. We will import the color style like this, which we have already maintained on here. Now my model is looking perfect. Activate the Revolve tool from here and start the sketch on the YZ plane. Now we will activate the section view from here. Okay. And take the project of the entire model by activating the Project Cut Edges command. We will take the project of the Y-axis and convert this line into center line. Create a rectangle on the side edge of the projected sketch. And apply the dimension 0.07 inch between these two lines. Fix the same dimension over the opposite side. Now select this line and a center line and fix the dimension 1.885 inches. Okay, that's it. Finish the sketch. Select the rectangle. Then next we will choose the center line for the axis of revolution and click OK. Now see, my slot is cut over the cylinder. Okay, alright, save the par file. Let's start the new sketch on the YZ plane. Take the project of the entire model on here. Okay. We will create two small rectangles on the side edge of the feature like this. Fix the dimension 0.275 inches between these two lines. And set the height of the rectangle, it will keep 0.045 inches. Now we will apply the same dimensions in the second rectangle. Now we will fix the equal constraint between these two rectangle lines. Now we will apply the collinear constraint between these two rectangle lines. Okay, that's it. Take the project of y-axis and convert this line into center line. Select this line and this line, okay, and fix another dimension on here. It will keep 2 inches. Okay, alright, finish the sketch. Now we will revolve the sketch profiles on here. Now see, two rims are created here over the cylindrical face of the wheel model. Now rotate the model in the rear side. And start the sketch over this face. Create a circle from the part origin. And its diameter will keep 1.8 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Select the circle and activate the extrude command. Choose the cut option. Okay, fix the extrude distance value 0.465 inches. Now create a new sketch over the bottom face of the model. Okay, that's it. Draw a circle on here and its diameter will keep 0.6 inches. Now we will take the project of the internal hole edge. Rotate the model and finish the sketch. Let's start the extrude command and select the sketch profile like this. Select the cut button and select the through all option and click OK. Now see the result, my hole is cut. Create a new sketch over this face and take the project of the circular edge. Now we will cut this profile 0.265 inches. Okay. Now we will activate the fillet tool from here. Select the inner circular edge and set the fillet radius 0.1 inches. And click OK. Now see, it looks great. Now rotate the model in this position and let's start the new sketch over this face. Now we will take the project of this face and XY plane. Okay, alright. We will draw two slanted lines on both sides between these two circles. Activate the symmetric constraint tool. Okay, now select this one, and this one. Okay, that's it. Apply the angular dimension 27 degrees between these two lines. Now we will create two 3-point arcs both sides between the inner circle and the slanted line. And apply the tangent constraint over this arc and this line to fix it. Its radius will keep 0.1875 inches. Now we will trim the extra lines on here like this. Select the center points of these two arcs and fix the dimension on here. It will keep 0.6 inches. Create another arc on here. Its radius will keep 2.25 inches. Now we will select the end point of the arc and part origin and fix the dimension 0.5 inches. Now we create a mirror of this arc like this. And fix the dimension 0.1 inches between the endpoints of the arc. Now we will create two more arcs on here to close the sketch profile. Apply the concentric constraint between these two arcs. Select this one and this one. Okay, that's it. Now my sketch is fully constrained on here, so we will exit from the sketching environment. Now select the isometric view. Activate the extrude command and select this sketch region. Choose the reverse direction button. Okay, fix the extrude distance value D18 plus 0.085 inches. Okay, that's it. Now we will apply another fillet feature over this internal edge. The fillet radius will keep 1/64 inches. Okay, that's it. Now we will activate the parameters button from here. Okay, and select renamed option from here. Now we will activate the add numeric button from here. Okay, and set the parameters name spokes. It will keep as a unit less. Okay. And now we will fix the value of this parameter. It will keep 5 UL. Okay, click done. Now we will activate the circular pattern tool from here. Okay. Select this extrude feature and fillet feature. Okay, alright. Choose rotation axis option. Okay, and select the Y axis. Now we will set the occurrence count value. It will keep spokes. And click OK. Now my parameter has been added over the circular pattern feature. Now we will create a new sketch over the XY plane. Choose slice graphics option from here. Okay. Rotate the model in this position and take the project of the entire model by using project cut edges command. Now we will take another project of the Y axis. Okay. Now we will create a 3 lines over the projected sketch like this. And its length will keep 0.05 inches. Okay. Finish the sketch. Activate the revolve tool. Select the sketch region. Choose cut option. Now we will select this axis for the axis of revolution and click OK. Now see. Now we will create another new sketch over the XY plane. Now we will create a line like this. Okay. Now we will apply the angular dimension between this line and this line. It will keep 85 degrees. Okay, alright. Now we draw an arc between these 2 points. Okay, that's it. Now we will create another arc on here. And its radius will keep 0.063 inches. And this arc radius will keep 0.125 inches. Okay, that's it. And now we will select this arc and this projected line and apply the tangent constraint on over it. In the same manner, we will apply 2 more tangent relation between this arc and this line. Okay, that's it. Okay, now my sketch is complete on here. So we will exit from the sketching environment. Now activate the revolve tool and select the sketch region. Okay. Now choose axis option and select the Y axis of the part. Okay. Choose cut option and click OK. Okay, that's it. Now save the part file. Now we will rotate the model in the rear side. And we will apply the fillets on these 5 edges of the wheel part. The fillet radius will keep 0.2 inches. Now we will activate the work point tool from here. Create a point on the midpoint of the arc. And we will create one more point between the y-axis and this internal face. In the same manner, we will create another point on the back face like this. Activate the plane command and select this point. This point and this point. Okay, now see my tilted plane has been created on here by selecting these points. Select this plane to choose flip normal. And let's start the sketch over this plane. Now select look at tool and select this plane. Activate the section view and hide the visibility of points and plane. Now take the project of the entire body like this. Draw a horizontal line on here and its length will keep 0.154 inches. Create another line from this point. And dimension will keep 0.201 inches. Now we will create some more lines on here, something like this. Activate the revolve tool from the design window and select the sketch region. Choose the axis option and select the center line. And click OK. See, my one more revolve feature has been added on my model. It looks great. And now we will apply some more fillets on the edges view like this. Okay, alright. Now my model is looking perfect. Now we will rotate the model in the rear side and start the sketch on this face. Create a polygon from the center point. Okay, and apply the horizontal constraint over the polygon line. Fix the dimension 0.475 inches between these two lines. Activate the extrude command. Okay. Cut the sketch region 0.2 inches and click OK. Activate the fillet tool. And now we will select the 10 edges of the model like this. Click OK to finish the command. It is looking very nice. Let's start a new sketch over this face. And take the project of this face and XY plane. Okay, alright. Now we will draw two lines between the center point and the inner circle like this. Fix the symmetric constraint over these two lines. Fix the angular dimension 21 degrees between these two lines. Now we will create two more lines over the inside of the previous sketch. Now we will erase the extra lines on here by using the trim command. Draw an arc between the endpoints of these lines to connect the sketch. Apply the dimension 0.05 inches between these two lines. Okay. Now we will take the offset of this arc in the outward direction. Select this one, okay, and apply tangent constraint between them. Fix the dimension 0.5375 inches between the part origin and center point of the arc. Now we will trim the extended arc on here like this. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will activate the extrude command. Now select the cut option. Okay, now we will select the two sketch profiles like this. Fix the extrude distance value 1 inch and click OK. Now see the result, my slot is cut on here. Now we will create a circular pattern of this extrude feature in the following way. See, my pattern is created here. Wheel model is looking perfect. Apply the fillet over this edge. Okay. Now we will activate the hole command from here. First of all, we will select the internal hole face. Okay. Next, select the circular edge for centering of the hole. Fix the diameter of the hole 0.1875 inches. Click OK to finish the command. Now we will create a new work plane at an offset distance value minus 0.015 inches from this face. Okay, that's it. Let's start a new sketch over this plane. Create a circle from the center point. Its diameter will keep 0.7 inches. Create a small circle on here. Its diameter will keep 0.05 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Now activate the extrude command. Now select the cut option and choose all option. And select the reverse side button. Go to the more button and fix the taper angle value 20 degrees. And click OK. Now see. My hole is cut on here. Now we will apply the fillet on this whole edge. Okay, alright. We will create a circular pattern of this hole in the following way. Fix the number of instances value 10 and click OK. See, my pattern is created here. Now we will apply some more fillets over the wheel part like this. Save the part file. Now we will change the material of this part as stainless steel polished. Okay, alright. Now my model is looking very nice. Finally, my wheel part has been completed here. I have mentioned the link address of my suspension model video in my description of this video. You can go this link to view the full assembly tutorial. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you may like this video, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Please share this video your friends and colleagues. Okay friends, goodbye.